Hello friends, welcome to My Kitchen My Passion. So today we are preparing a basic and super delicious dry fruit muffins. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. To prepare dry ingredient, in a bowl, I'm gonna shift 1 cup plain flour or Maida, half cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder and shift them properly. I'm gonna mix all the wet ingredient, half cup condensed milk, 1 tablespoon oil, 1/4 cup butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now I am start whisking all the ingredient until it's creamy. Now start adding dry ingredient into wet ingredient in 2 batches. Batter is thick now, so we will add little milk to get pouring consistency of batter. Now adding dry fruits coated with plain flour or maida like cashew, raisin, almond, walnut and mix it. Add half teaspoon baking soda and mix them properly. Now add some more dry fruits and mix it well. Now prepare muffins cup with liner and grease with butter. Fill the muffins cup with batter and garnish with some dry fruits. These goes into oven immediately. Once get into oven, set the temperature 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 15 minutes. It's time for checking muffins. Get them out. Poke toothpick in a center once it's absolutely clean, so it's ready. Muffins are ready to enjoy with tea or coffee. And if you like my recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for regular update. Thank you.